Imagine a world within you, alive with electrical sparks, your gut glowing softly. Contains a hidden network of 500 million neurons. This second brain, called the enteric nervous system, quietly matches the complexity found in the minds of other creatures. As food enters, these neurons direct the dance of digestion. Muscle contractions known as peristalsis, twist and ripple, moving nutrients along winding corridors. Chemical sensors watch for balance, absorbing what you need and discarding what you don't. The gut's neurons speak the language of neurotransmitters. Serotonin, crucial for mood, is mostly produced in this subterranean realm. Dopamine, the molecule of motivation and reward, pulses here as well. A superhighway, the vagus nerve, links the gut to your brain, carrying a constant stream of signals. Gut feelings translate into emotional changes, hunger, anxiety, even swift shifts in decision-making. The brain listens, adjusting its own responses and shaping how you perceive the world. The enteric nervous system doesn't just digest food. It can tilt your emotions, color your moods, and nudge you toward or away from choices. Emotional glow maps light up with stress or joy, each driven by neural activity below. This second brain shapes your daily experience, quietly guiding your feelings and decisions moment by moment. Tiny fact: Studiox.